So you're going to need a container to hold your entire oil batch. I'm using a 1 liter mason jar. You're going to need your carrier oil of choice. I'm going with extra virgin olive oil, but you can use coconut oil if you prefer that. You're also going to need a container for your oil to apply to your scalp. You can either use a applicator bottle or repurpose an old container. You're in the star of the show. You're going to need the Herbal hair oil mix. I got it from online from Amazon. It has 18 vital Ayurvedic oils to promote hair growth and prevent dandruff. And lastly, optional, you can have an essential oil of your choice. I'm going to go with tea tree this time. So you're going to take that large container and begin stuffing it with the herbs from that blend. Again, if you want to do an entire batch, which will last you about 3 months, make sure that you buy a jar big enough to contain it. So again, my mason jar was about 1 liter in capacity. The oil that I got also was about 1 liter because you want to make sure it's completely submerged. So next you're going to begin pouring the oil on top of the herbs. You want to make sure it's completely submerged in oil, so all the way to the top. Also note that the herbs are good for about 2 to 3 months, like I said. So at any point as you're pouring oil out of the jar, you just top it off with some more oil. So once that's done, you pretty much have your oil base. From there, it's really buildable. You can add any oils or extracts that you want from there, but this is the most affordable and simple way to create the oil. Like I said, I am going to add a couple drops of tea tree essential oil to my blend. So I'm just freeballing it, just pouring a couple drops until I'm happy with it. I do think I'll probably go back in and add some peppermint oil because I like having something that's more stimulating. And once that's done, I'm just showing you guys what the consistency is gonna, or the color is gonna look like. Because of the rose in the blend, it has a pink color, and it's very moisturizing for the skin. Of course, I'm gonna use it on my scalp. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I plan to use the oil. So I typically do scalp massages every other night to promote hair growth and also to prevent itchy scalp. So it's pretty straightforward. I just focus it on my scalp and go around my entire head and gently massage it. I also use oils once a week to pre-poo, so I will experiment with that as well. So that's pretty much it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your hair growth hacks. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.